Jesus! How did I know? Alrighty, welcome to the Raveyard. This is a big gate that I gotta push. It's been a while since I've been here.
Do you know where the rave is?
I think it's that way.
Alright, you go that way, I'll go this way, we'll see who gets there first.
Isn't that kind of scary though, going in?
Maybe.
It's like a sarcophagus, maybe? Okay, I guess what? Holy sh! First time she gets me. Oh, whoa, where did you come from? Whoa, where did you go? I don't know why I ran, but now I'm in a damn sarcophagus cemetery. Holy smokes. But on the bright side, oh! You're not even dressed for the occasion. Nope. Okay, so.
Hey, party people!
Hi. What?
Yeah, y'all.
She made me jump. She literally made me jump. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Whoo! The Raveyard. We're in the Raveyard. Into the thick of it. Into the thick. Oh shit! What the hell is that? Oh, there was a whole shaking thing up. Oh my god! I can't see because the light's on my face now, which is not good. Okay, it's like I'm entering a sarcophagus. King Tut, is that you? Oh! Jesus. It's not King Tut. Yo, I can't see a potato chip in here. Oh! No, what the? What is that? Mom! Stop following me around! Okay. Oh my god, yo, wait a minute. It's pitch black. We're gonna have to walk a bit backwards because I can't see. Oh, air cannon! Hit me right in the private parts. Oh! Oh shit. Okay. What in the Batman Returns is that? Oh, we clubbing now. Okay. Your boy's feeling it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, double attack. 2 for 1. What is this? A public special? Yep. And now we're with the skulls because who doesn't love skulls, right? Talk about trying to blind me. Oh, heck no. Help me. Holy shit. Dear God. Woo, where did you come from? That dude, I thought it was fake. Yo, I'm terrified. Like, oh, yo, someone done died on the couch. I guess that was Netflix and no chill. Yo, the club keeps bumping. That's what I'm talking about. Welcome to the Raveyard. Oh, Jesus. How did I know? Oh, whoa. Hey, not my butt. Whoa, where did you come from? I'm just gonna, oh, shit. I'm trying. Pop and go. Oh, my God. Yo, you came out of the hairy wall. And I think we're done. We're done. That was a lot scarier than I initially remember.